Got kind of a situation here. One of the wheels is falling off the tracks and spun out the bearing, and you always want to keep a spare tire. Come with the kit and everything. Put some gear oil in it and you're good to go. They're fairly easy to fix. I'll show you right here, but yeah, even though you have tracks, you should keep a spare tire. I'd also recommend getting one of these because it'll fit any size that you need instead of carrying a whole bunch of tools. They work pretty good. Definitely invest in one of these. Now that I got it all cleaned up, I'm ready to put on the new one. If you notice, it does have Loctite on it, so it is kind of a struggle to get off, but it can be done. Just clean it off real smooth there before you put the new one on. You're good to go. Here's the new one here. Put on the new rubber piece, bolt it on there. So, also it does recommend that you put a little bit of grease on there. So I put some bearing grease and go ahead and slide it on there. Like that. Then what you want to do is put 5 cc's of gear oil. Just stick it in there. Shove it in. Like that. And bolt, after you tighten the bolt down to, was it 22 pounds of torque, put the cap on, little gear oil, and they all spin. They'll spin here. Yep. By the way, it is a 17mm bolt, and I'm ready to get back on the track.